Good early afternoon, 12:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, August 13th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I wanted to bring more details about XRP's current price analysis right now. I like to share some that I come across that I read that makes sense, and some that talk Fibonacci, because I don't show Fibonacci at all when I do things. For me, I don't like to use that and a lot of other indicators. And the reason for me, and this isn't true for everybody, but for me, it makes me lazy. And I want to pay attention, and I want to see everything develop within a pattern formation. And I'll use the exponential moving averages, the EMA lines, 20, 50, 100, 200s, to see where the technical traders are starting to line up and see a perception that's starting to be created. But I like to look deeper into analysis to try to see how it compares to my own. And I like reading into some that use the Fibonacci. So you'll see me a lot use Brian Bollinger. It's just somebody who I've come across, and he's on CoinGate. But it's somebody I like his analysis because he uses the Fibonacci. So he can expand on more than just what I will show you. So for anybody who uses the Fibonacci, this might intrigue you a little bit more. But remember, if you're trading XRP, buying XRP, we do this from an emotionless standpoint. We're very positive in this community. We don't allow negativity to get to us, and we play the winner. We don't play the victim. And playing the winner, you need to get all information available, not just on the charts, but also news alike, to form the proper perception and perspective of what's going to happen next with the XRP price. Don't allow emotion to dictate, and don't allow a foregone thought maybe that's formed in your head not allow you the foresight to see when a change is happening, or maybe when we're going for further correction, or if a phase is broken and we can invalidate a very bearish movement. So it's always good to have all the information. Make sure you hit that like button if you appreciate my content and you appreciate this update. But if you appreciate what I do, hit that subscribe button, as we've grown to over 18,000 subscribers here. Our year-end goal was 17,500. So I cannot thank each and every one of you enough, as without each and every one of you, I would not be here. So with that, let's get into this. XRP price analysis. XRP bulls must defend this price level to avoid major correction. The ongoing correction phase in XRP price from suitable support at the 60-cent level. Amid the 3 weeks downfall, the altcoin registered a 36.5% loss as the price dropped from the July 13th high of 93.8 cents to the 59.6 cent low. The aforementioned support, aligned with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, creates a strong footing for buyers to replenish bullish momentum should you enter this dip. XRP chart key points. The XRP buyers can witness strong demand pressure from 60-cent support. A bullish breakout from the overhead resistance of 665 could bolster buyers for the 10.8. The intraday trading volume in the XRP is 504 billion, indicating a 22.12% loss, which to me is very bullish because we've had a 36% decrease, but the volume's fallen off by more than 22%. On August 7th, the XRP price bounced back from the 60-cent support as an attempt from buyers to reclaim higher ground. However, after a short jump of 11.4%, the coin faced intermediate resistance at 665, 66.5 cents. The rejection candle at this barrier indicates the traders still follow the sentiment of selling on bounces observed in an established downtrend. The bearish reversal undermined the 6.55% gain of the prior upswing, as the XRP price currently trades at 0.627. The declined price is expected to re-challenge the 60-cent support combined with 50% fib. In theory, a correction to 0.5 or the 0.5% fib is healthy for a long-term trend, whereas a downfall below starts to reflect weakness in bullish momentum, but that's not necessarily true. You also might need to come down to the 61.3% Fibonacci retracement level. So don't be tricked right now. Look for the 61.3% Fibonacci retracement level as well. I don't use the fib, but that is a major retracement within the fib. Thus, a breakdown below 60 cents could threaten the XRP holders for a major correction. So XRP buyers need to watch support levels. If the falling XRP price witnessed another surge of buying pressure to 60 cents, it would indicate the buyers are accumulating a discounted price. The demand pressure could trigger a sideways action for a few trading days, offering buyers an opportunity to regain strength And that's the demand zone we're talking about, between 60 and 63 cents approximately. That's why every time it comes down there, if it's a demand zone or supply zone, they're just waiting to accumulate in these areas, and you can go on for several weeks. Offering buyers an opportunity to reign supreme. Thus, a potential breakout from 66.5 cents barrier would give the first signal for recovery. Exponential moving average, the all-con price trading above 100 and 200-day EMA, indicates the overall trend remains bullish. Relative strength index, the RSI slope of 40%, reflects that buyers having enough momentum to carry a bullish reversal. So we're seeing bullish reversals here. It's just a matter of where do we come down to on our main chart. And just to kind of validate what we were hearing just now and why I like to use this article in particular. They talked about that 66.8 cent level, which is very critical, as we've talked about up here. You would have to break past, and right now in current time, it's actually a little higher than that. Right around the 673, but we're splitting hairs now. But you'd have to break that uptrending resistance that used to be the support on the outstretched bull flag. So now that's become the outstretched resistance, and that's the area they're talking about for major resistance that you would have to get over to start pushing this as a reversal. And then they're talking about the demand zone coming down to about 60 cents. We have 608 on our, or 604 on our chart right there, but 6133 is actually where it should be. I know I put it to 604 for the live. We're talking about the demand zone, but 6133 is still a very strong support. That's the broadening wedge support. Underneath that, the 60 cent is the demand zone, the end of it, in my opinion, or the supply zone. Otherwise, you would come down and finish off what we're seeing here. If this validates and we get rejected here on the short-term bear flag, with the death cross and the 4-hourly not being invalidated on the push up, we would come down about 7% to that 585 level. We can invalidate this movement by getting on top of 614 first move, and then ultimately getting over that roughly 67. But it'll be closer to about 68 cents by the time we get back up there. But you need to get over that to invalidate, or at least start it to try to invalidate the short-term reversal here with the death cross and the 4-hourly. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, make sure you hit that like button. Consider joining Tom's Army. And also, most of all, subscribe to the channel.